I'm back with a video. I'm back with another video. I'm back. And I'm Dee Johnson. And today I have my Jrecks subs. I have my soup, my cheddar broccoli soup. I have a roast beef on spinach herb bread. I have lettuce, tomatoes, spinach, onions, peppers, banana peppers, hot peppers, and Russian. And I have my water here, and my broccoli and cheddar. Everything looks delicious. My crackers and my soup. I already said my prayer. I said that off camera. So I am good to go. And I'm hungry. I didn't have anything to eat since last night. I had a cup of coffee this morning, and that was about it. I'm starved. Probably only eat like half, and then I'll save the other half for dinner. But yeah, it's just lunchtime. Let me taste their soup. I like Subway's broccoli cheddar soup, but I'm gonna try Jrecks. Oh yeah, this soup is good too. I love a soup and sandwich. It's a little hot. That's it there. And I told them extra onions. I love onions. I'm like, you know what? It's good. I'm hungry. Actually, nice outside today. Couldn't figure out what I wanted to eat. So Jrecks is right up the street. So I'm like, let me just go to Jrecks. And then I got to go to work too. So I didn't want to eat too much. Nothing too heavy. Just something light. I hadn't had Jrecks in a while. Really don't have nothing planned for the weekend. I'm trying to see what we're going to do this weekend. I really don't have anything planned. I'll be glad when they call me about my contacts. Should be any day now. Then they got to teach you how to put them in and everything. But that's fine. I'm sitting here watching the reel. I do. The soup is actually pretty good. I was like, you know what? They got broccoli and cheddar. Broccoli and cheddar is my favorite soup, so I was like, let me taste that. Sure. But yeah, these subs are. I like mine loaded. Donald usually gets just lettuce, tomatoes, a couple onions, and that's about it. I like mine loaded. Something about onions I just love. Guess they're good for you too.